What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Smoking with the Rockies video. Today we're making flank steak fajitas, marinated flank steak in soy sauce, fresh lime juice, taco seasonings, some garlic. Smells amazing. It's gonna taste even better. We love this dish. I just put it on the smoker right now. I'm gonna show you what I got going on here. All right, here we go. Look at that lovely thing. Smoking with fruit pellet run through traeger. Love the stuff. This is gonna taste great. Let that go for about 30 minutes or so. Get a nice medium to medium well. My family loves it. Cut it up. We're gonna do some sauteed bell peppers, some onions, cut up some lettuce, tomatoes for the kids. Do a little taco action. I'll do creme fraiche. It'll be good stuff. Again, I appreciate the subscriptions, the follows, the likes, comments. That helps the channel. Please continue to do so. Continue to share, like, follow along. It does help. It's much appreciated. But stay tuned. And again, leave the comments, like, share, subscribe. It really does help. Thank you. All right, so here we go. We're just peeling some bell peppers, yellow and red, getting them deseeded, slicing them up nice and fine. We're going to saute this in the juices that are left over from the fajita mix. I always like to use the leftover juices just so that way you get the same flavor palette with everything. Tastes amazing. We'll saute these over medium heat on the pan. We'll also do some onions. You'll see that here once I finish up this pepper. And we just cut those thin, long strips. We don't do a lot just because my younger kids don't like it, but we love it. It tastes great. It's a little bit of a long process, but it's worth it. Can't have fajitas without some fresh bell peppers. Make it good. Sorry for the kids in the background. There we go. Peel an onion. Just a half onion does the trick. Nice thin slices. Boom. Let it rain onions. Here's a better look for you to see it all cut up and mixed together. So this is it. Like I said, we just mix it in with the leftover marinade from the fajita mix. Now again, it's just fresh lime juice, soy sauce, lemon juice, and taco seasoning mix. You can make your own. I was feeling a little lazy today, so I just used some basic general taco seasoning mix. It does the trick. But love it. Get a nice good sizzle on it. This will render down. By the time it's finished, the onions will be nice and soft. Peppers will still have a bit of a crunch, but not much, but just enough to make it feel good and you're taking a bite out of it. All right, so as you just saw, we finished up the peppers and onions. The steak's just about done. It's in about 137 degrees using my Thermal Pro. Links in the description if you'd like to find out what they have to offer. Great product. Let me show you what's going on. Look at that. Looks so good. All right, now that we've let it rest for a little bit, about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minute rest period, we're going to cut this up, take a look, get it prepared, give it a good taste. I mean, look at that. That looks amazing. Nice medium, nice and juicy. Look how good that slices. Literally just pulls apart. Nothing better than a barbecued flank steak. I guess you could say smoked flank steak. But the flavor on this is just unreal. Look at that. Nice color. Oh my goodness. Look how wet that is. Makes your mouth saliva. So good. So juicy. Let's take a bite out of this, see how it tastes. There you go. Oh, it's so good. So good. It's a winner. There we go. Cook up nicely for the kids. I'll make myself some tacos right here. It's little corn tortillas. Heating them up on the pan. Sorry for the camera. Just me doing it myself, so not the greatest. There we go. Got some peppers, onions. Nicely put on there. Come on now, look at that. It's a winner. Ooh, fresh avocado, baby. Place that on there. Boom. There we go. Take a bite out of this. Oh, that's so good. You have no idea. The flavor that's coming out of it. Once it hits your palate, it's amazing. And here's the finished products. I appreciate you guys following, like, subscribe, share. It helps.